tagaski ka karbohidrat ng primer algarupsan nigiliang joga kasih Sunian West Jail District ada di pengi kubor jadi berngem jogi karbi ba ka ting bahalang jogi berarti buka karbi student association kamaham ibri ujongi kinum bakimdai banyo bat telepon cepo celah jogi kamu kita sinong bahap sepo melakukan kita bahap sepo asap kita tagaski nigiliang jogi masing wilayah kudu yudisi lor kini kicing jia baro kicing bergem joki iki kandidat bagi pajba bisi nilai jong bisi ulak pular ban ulak di balada cingkia iki dikam bagi beliau basa istri tan kinum do ban tem ikebut jongki kene iki ba jinga nanti jong ini di kertong election pada kalian jong ini geseng nginam snapsu iki kicing bergem jong ini karbi na kapos kapor iki beliau jong iki basa tan border baru kene kesin ke bakadu yaki pada JI nang ni sekamat JI yaki bro jongi sepok borar karbi gede basim jing bakli pada JI karbi ru kri makihi barsim jing bakli but this is a message to the Karbi Students Association. We have been silenced for many years. Whatever you have done to our people in the border area, you have threatened them, you mistreated them, you keep quiet, but doesn't mean that we are not angered. The time have come for you to stop threatening our people and do what is the right thing in the border area. Otherwise, from our side, there will be no more tolerance with the Karbi Students Association. There will be no more peace, no more talk with you people. If you keep on threatening our people, we can do the same thing. From this moment onward, we won't shut our mouth and we won't keep silence. For your own doing, for your own mislead, we will do the same thing to you. Thank you. And one more thing, we as tribal people, we want to be together in any kind of fight, in any issue. But the Karbi people do not want us to work together hand in hand for the safety of the tribal people. But you keep on creating trouble to our people residing in the border area. This is not what we wanted. All we want is peace. All we want is to maintain peace in the border area, disputed area, and let us not keep on fighting like this. But if you keep on threatening our people, keep on doing all these kind of things to our people, one day we will also do the same thing to you.
Tentu ya ginong song hagi tan border jongi bakim de banting bakim de bansir di de banle ya ke kabaki de banle de ban ne ke de ban wan kumba jukle kumba juban ban lada ki ag kaba di sya pendik hagi wepat gi benriu kumba maham naga JSA ne yegi wepat de ngi kum geseng ngi loy ban yarap hanu liang bat mentaru ngi kendu bat uru disi hang ne bat kalian jokiru ki dolar bakin ba kli bakin le yegi gabat .com lor ging songsuk songan jong gi pat gi jat ngi dapat segebe ngimdei banting ngimdei ban sien di ban songsuk laga jonga dewe siap bat kumjuru agaliang ide banjat kumba kumujulong de section liang jonga kesu ni long di balkloi banyaram lada dia bodon di nogi jing petut kamtam lagi tan borda jongi tang